All right, here we are out in front of the Embassy Suites in downtown Tuscaloosa. We have spent the last 24 hours here. It's been a great stay. Gonna do a quick tour, quick mini review. Gonna go inside and show you what the inside looks like. Hang on. All right, here we go. Here's where you enter, front desk. Hey guys, sorry. I won't get you on video. We got Denny chimes in the very middle of the front desk. That's great. Love it. It's a really nice area. Of course, we all know who this gentleman is. It's Coach Saban. We've got some sundries that you can buy if you want. Got a little business area. This is where the breakfast is. It's also where the reception is. I didn't get video of the evening reception last night. It was super nice. Really enjoyed it. I have a video I'll show in a few minutes of the breakfast. I had a made-to-order omelet this morning. It was really good. We have the side-by-side restaurant, which is attached. We didn't eat there, but we heard that it's really good. I'll see if I can zoom in on the menu a little bit so you can kind of see. Looks like the appetizers are like $16, $15, $12. Roll Tide roll, $12. A fried chicken sandwich, it actually says sandwich, it's $14. I heard that was good. It's Sunday morning, so they aren't open. They have a full bar in there. The little reception area here is only open with a tiny bar during their reception hours. Okay. Grab my coffee. Coffee's really good. Go check out the other amenities here. Like I said, we really liked our stay. People here are super nice. Hotel's nice. It's in a really good location. You're not that close to the stadium if that's what you're wanting to do. It's not really easy walking distance. But you're close to downtown, tons of restaurants, pubs, things like that. Here's the fitness center. Let me see if I can go in the pool. Hang on a second. Okay, this is the pool area. I won't really go in because there's people swimming. Let's do a quick pan around. But yeah, it's a nice indoor pool. Thank you, sir. Fitness center open 24 hours. Parking is included. It was easy to park. No issues parking whatsoever, which is nice. All right. We're staying on the second floor. Let's go upstairs and check out our room. Okay, it's morning time here at the Embassy Suites in downtown Tuscaloosa. And we're gonna go have breakfast with Big Al. Yep, we've had a great stay here actually, by the way. So this is breakfast time. This is where you get your breakfast. I, spoiler alert, have already eaten. I didn't get a picture of my omelet. I had a really good ham, egg, and cheese and peppers omelet. This is the buffet this morning. Excuse me. These are your omelet choices. Get your cereal. Got your waffles. Got your fruit. Got your breads. And of course your coffee, which I'm fixing to avail myself of. Plenty of seating. Our people are actually sitting out in the area out here. It was really good. This is also where the evening reception is actually right here. I didn't get that on video last night. Man, the waitress, the lady taking care of us, super nice. Super nice. Really like this hotel. Really highly recommend it. If you're looking for a place to stay in Tuscaloosa, this might just be it. So this is our room 212 at the embassy. We've enjoyed our stay here. It's been a nice stay. And this is a nice embassy suites room. You got your microwave, got your refrigerator, which we had filled up with Gatorades and waters. We were here for some soccer games. So, I really don't have any negative things to say about our stay here. Usually there's pros and cons. This is our room where we stayed. Beds were comfy. We got a little view of Druid City. You can see them. There's tons of stuff. There's the Hotel Indigo across the way. Tons of stuff to do right here within walking distance. Nice restaurants, bars, which we didn't go to because we were here with teenagers. But lots of stuff to do. Nice facilities, nice bathroom, really nice shower. Again, I don't see the cons. If you want a better view, you might want to get a higher room. We asked for a room on the second floor just to be close to the lobby, the reception, the breakfast. Everything was good. Air conditioning works really well. We were almost froze out last night, which is for us a good thing. So all in all, I'd say we would definitely give the Embassy Suites in downtown Tuscaloosa a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel. We have lots of hotel reviews. We mainly do stuff about cruises. Heading out on a cruise soon on a Carnival Vista. So if you're into that, if you're into barbecue, give us a follow. Y'all have a great day.